I'm in the garage late night, and that's what the light looks like. This is the 168 ST from Sylvania. On. Off. Sorry that I can't do it all at the same time. Let me try to do it. Probably not gonna be so great. But there you go. Have a good one. So it's just gonna be 2 screws. Like if you look at the back of a box Chevy, right here, there's gonna be 2 screws that you remove, and then you fish out the housing from underneath here for the tag. As you can tell, I have no light, and here's the housing. I'm gonna clean this off and put the 168 light, which is right here, into the tail bolt. But let me catch up with you when I get this thing cleaned up. I'm gonna have to pop the bulb in there, but I can't do it with one hand. 168 bulb checking in. 168 bulb checking in. Again, LongLife, super bright white, ST LongLife. There's different versions. I'm just using LongLife, regular brightness. I don't want my tag blowing the hell up, but I still want it to be seen. I use the super bright ones on the side markers.